This is practice one of a very intensive week. Because Raphael is going to France, so we had to move our trip up 2 weeks early to next week. But we only had one practice so we need to get a lot more.
If there is this much wind, I don't think we need much practice.
It's true. We're in very light winds today.
Look, I need to.
He is literally paddling us upwind because there's no wind.
I need to paddle.
We're trying to get out of the Stanley Bay, and we're trying to reach and we have to go through some shipping channels, which is good practice for us because we're gonna have to do that in the end. So yeah, now we just have to get out of this bay and hopefully there's gonna be more wind. It seems like the waves are picking up. So picking something up right now. But yeah, we're gonna go to this Loma Island and then hopefully get to Deepwater Bay before sun comes down. And Paul brought his 360-degree GoPro, so hopefully we'll get some. There's no battery, so we'll get you some footage sometime soon. Yeah, and there's no wind at all. This kid is literally paddling. Our boat is basically a supboard right now. We're gonna go to Round Island, as we always do, our home base, right over there. And there's a drone. Let's say hi to them. And there's some people up there taking pictures, which is pretty cool. But yeah, there's absolutely no wind today. The wind's too light and we can't really move. We're not moving at all. So yeah. There's a we're gonna explore Round Island.
It's not that much wind, so I'm gonna try swim as fast as the boat. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'm actually going faster.
How do you feel?
Better.
We made it to Round Island Piers, but it's low tide, so we can't exactly get onto the stairs over there. But it's a very nice lighthouse. There is absolutely zero wind, and we're just chilling here. Waves here. Get the hell out of here. We're nearing the end of our trash journey today. Back to Deepwater Bay. We're still pretty far, but the sunset is really nice. Really calming us. He's at home. We have to paddle a bit. Amazing.
That's you, right?
Hello, we are approaching Deepwater Bay, and the sun just went down and it's beautiful out here. It's gorgeous, the sky is pink, Raphael is looking gorgeous too. Look at it. So, a reflection of today. We must not go out in low winds because it's boring as hell and it's kind of pointless. Right now we're goose winging downwind, as you can see, trying to get the wind to catch in the jib. But yeah, it's a straight shot down. Should be around 10 to 15 minutes, we hope. But yeah.
Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still.
I'm still out here. Just by all this light. We have a light on. You can't really see us.